Tiramisu is a coffee-flavored Italian dessert. It literally means pick me up or cheer me up. It typically has ladyfingers soaked in espresso coffee or another strong flavored coffee and layered with raw eggs. It also includes sugar and mascarpone cheese, which is like cream cheese, and cocoa. Some other ingredients people might add are cognac or rum. But today, I'm not adding eggs and I'm not adding alcohol, and we're going to do this in under 20 minutes. Tiramisu could be made in a trifle dish or a rectangular dish, but today I'm using individual glasses. If you don't have something like this, you could also buy a package of these plastic cups. Today's ingredients are cocoa, mascarpone cheese, sugar, ladyfingers, coffee, sugar, vanilla extract, and heavy whipping cream. So it's time for a confession. The first batch that I made did not turn out right. I wasn't happy with it. It was too runny. It's probably user error. This happens. I get excited and I try and rush through it. So just being honest, letting you know this is the second time we're doing this, but that's okay. You learn more every time you do it. So that happens when you're doing savory or sweets. But here we go. This time I've chilled the bowl. The mascarpone cheese is straight out of the refrigerator. I think this is going to be the way to go. It'll be much better. I'm going to add the sugar. I have 4 tablespoons of sugar. Next, I'm going to add the vanilla. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And whip again. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, which is also chilled. Oops. Oh, that looks good. We don't want to over whip it. Our next part is our coffee. We have 4 tablespoons of coffee, and this is where you can tailor it to how you like it. If you like stronger coffee, if you like espresso. This is the kind of coffee that Mark drinks. Again, I don't like coffee. I don't like the smell of it. I don't like the taste of it. Here's sugar going in, and now all we need to do is let it dissolve. Keep stirring it. Even though I don't like coffee, I like this dessert because the coffee's so mild. I also changed the cups. I had glasses before. Now I want to try it with these plastic cups. I like the fact that they're wider in the top, narrower at the bottom. I should be able to get in there without making as much of a mess. So we have our ladyfingers. Dip them quickly, break them in half, and put them in your cup. These are narrower at the bottom, so I'm going to do them just a little bit differently. If you leave your ladyfingers in the coffee mixture, they're just going to dissolve and they won't be any good. That isn't what you want. Just want them lightly. Okay, so now cocoa powder with the smallest sifter you've ever seen. And we're going to put that in each cup. This is our next layer. We're dusting it. If you want a little more, the amount's up to you. I like cocoa powder. Then we're going to put our cream mixture in. That's how we want it to be, just like that. Put some in each cup. And then I'll come back and fix that. Try and level it out. Oh, that's much better. Then we're going to repeat. Next layer is going to be the same. The Ladyfingers, cocoa powder, and our whipped cream. Okay, again, dip. Don't soak it. Now you've got more room. You can lay them next to each other. The first layer was on top of each other. Oops, I think I forgot to fix this one. If you need to push them down a little bit, okay. We still have coffee mixture left over, that's okay. All right. Oh, cocoa powder, that's our next layer. All right, we're going to smooth these out. And they're all done. Now all we have to do is taste it. So you can have this right away, or you can cover it with plastic, put it in your fridge, and have it a few hours later when it's more chilled. It's totally up to you. Either way is great. And we've even left it in the fridge for a few days. Took it out and it was still delicious. So now we're going to taste it. Tiramisu in individual cups. Here, let's hold it up so you can see it.
It's beautiful.
You can see the ladyfingers. You can see just about all the layers. I have lots of other desserts on my channel. We'll link those. But right now we're going to taste this. Ready?
Go.
Go. Wow. Under 20 minutes. Light and fluffy.
It's good to go. I know from enjoying this previously that if it sits in the fridge for maybe a day, it's even better. Because the ladyfingers get
That's true.
a little softer.
They do. From being in the coffee. And as you saw, I didn't soak them for long. You don't want to soak them for long. They're going to fall apart.
Delicious.
They do have a little sugar on the ladyfingers, the ones that I bought. Of course, you can make your own.
Thanks.
Very good. You're welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back soon with more videos. Bye.